Oh, that was an interesting entrance.
Yes, it was.
We never been into a military base like this.
Right.
So we are at the Parris Island
Museum.
and we're going to take a quick walk through. They did say we could record in here
Yes.
and a little bit outdoors, but nowhere else. So we're going to just give you a quick visual tour, and if we see something very interesting, we'll jump in. Okay, when was the last time, Tina, you saw one of these?
I know, it's been a while. I know.
Go ahead.
Parris Island, located in South Carolina, is steeped in rich history. Originally inhabited by Native American tribes, the island's European history began with the arrival of Spanish explorers in the 16th century. The French later attempted to establish a colony called Charlesfort, which ultimately failed. The island gained prominence in the 19th century when it became a hub for the production of Sea Island cotton, a highly prized crop. In 1861, during the Civil War, Parris Island was captured by Union forces, who established it as a key logistical base. The island's strategic location and natural resources made it an important site for both military and economic activities. The most significant transformation came in 1915 when the island was designated as a Marine Corps recruit depot. Since then, it has served as the primary training ground for enlisted Marines on the east coast of the United States. The Marine Corps presence has shaped the island's identity, and it remains a vital part of America's military heritage. Today, Parris Island is known for its rigorous training programs that have produced generations of Marines, instilling them with the core values of honor, courage, and commitment. The island's history is a testament to its enduring importance in American military and cultural history.
This place is amazing. Again, if you're in the Hilton Head area, Parris Island is about 40 minutes away, and would highly recommend coming over here and checking out the museum. Getting in was a little bit fun because you have to go through an inspection, which I totally understand because you are on base, and you know they ask you about weapons and they do a background check on you. So make sure you're clear before you get here. All right, let's check out this stuff.
Captain Kangaroo was a Marine.
Well,
Freddie Kinder.
yeah.
B.
Arthur. And then there's Maud.
Yeah. Wow, from the Golden Girls. Drew
No,
Carey.
I did not know that.
I cannot. Wow. Look, George Jones.
Yeah, no.
Wow.
Well, of course,
Lee
Lee Ermey.
Yeah. There he is.
Platoon! Hold! I am Gunnery Sergeant Hartman, your drill instructor. Because I am hard, you will not like me. What side was that, Private Pile?
Sir, left side, sir!
Are you sure, Private Pile? But the more you hate me, the more you will learn. What side was that, Private Pile?
Sir, right side, sir!
You will not laugh. You will not cry. You will learn by the numbers. I will teach you.
That means your heels are touching, feet at a 45-degree angle, thumbs along your trouser seams, palms rolled inboard, fingers in their natural curl, and an eye straight to the front, and your mouth is shut. I'll say it again, your mouth is shut. This is the only position in which you will speak to any Marine, sailor, or civilian during your stay Island. You will be where you are supposed to be at the proper time and in the proper uniform. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Second, Article 91, disrespect. You will be respectful to all Marines, sailors, and civilians aboard the depot. Disrespect, whether it be through words, facial expressions, or gestures, will not be tolerated. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Third, Article 92, disobedience of the lawful order. You will do what you are told to do when you are told to do it, without question. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Starting now, you will live, eat, sleep, and train as a team. The word I is no longer a part of your vocabulary. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Tens of thousands of Marines have begun their outstanding service for our country on the very footprints where you are standing. You will carry on their proud tradition.
All right, so
just kept on singing, singing clear and strong, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life. Fever in the morning. California dreaming on such a winter's day. Yeah, stop.
we are, where are we? We're downtown Hilton somewhere.
Oh, let me find the, let's make sure we know where we are before we start saying.
But one of the cool things that we want to show you right now, well,
let's find out where we are.
it's not the mermaid. Okay, one of the things that I wanted to do was to find something here in Hilton Head Island that was unique. And this was one of them. And it is, drum roll please.
The world's?
Yeah, it's world's largest figure sundial. And it's in Shelter Cove Harbor in Hilton Head Island, North Carolina. Nope, sorry, South Carolina. All right, so let's see if it's accurate. So by the way, here it is. There we go, King Neptune Sundial. The largest figurine sundial in the world. Okay, so let's see if it's accurate. It is currently 12:15 in the p.m. and this is June the 27th. So it would be mostly summer. Okay, so here we go. It looks like here is that would be 12. Yep, see XII, and there's 1. So it's pretty close. It's 12:15, so that's pretty darn close. I'm quite impressed. All right, so let's see. I think that's the man's name that sculpted this. It's really hard to read. I might have to look this up online. But again, here are the months. And how many of these days? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. No. They are not the days. Must be the hours, possibly. And of course, as I'm recording, trying to get the details, a bunch of little kids pop up. So I was thinking about trying to scare them, but I think their mom's behind them, behind me, back here. So I better not. All right, let me go round up Tina. Hi, how you doing? My name is Alligator.
What'd you say?
Hi, how you doing?